In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Camera Raw filter in Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're touching up a photo for personal use or working on a professional project, mastering this feature can bring your images to life with stunning clarity and depth. We'll be walking through this process step by step, so even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, we're going to start by launching Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you don't have it installed, make sure to download and install the latest version from the Adobe website. Once you've opened Photoshop, you'll want to add an image that you'd like to edit. To do this, simply drag and drop the desired image file into Photoshop. Alternatively, you can open your image by clicking File in the top left corner, then selecting Open and choosing your image from your files. Now that your image is in Photoshop, it's time to apply the Camera Raw filter. To access it, navigate to the top menu and click on Filter. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there choose Camera Raw Filter. This function is a powerful way to make adjustments to your photo, simulating the editing environment of Adobe's Camera Raw processor. This step is essential for enhancing everything from exposure and contrast to color balance. Within the Camera Raw workspace, you'll see a variety of adjustment tools and sliders. But before diving into manual adjustments, let's explore presets, which offer quick and effective fixes for various types of photos. Click on the Presets icon, which is typically located on the right panel of the Camera Raw dialog box. Here you can find a selection of predefined looks and effects. Presets can automate the process of getting a particular look and serve as a creative starting point. As you hover over each preset, watch how your photo changes to preview the effect. This is a great way to instantly understand what each preset offers and how it might enhance your image. Select a preset that suits your desired outcome by clicking on it. This will apply the preset to your image immediately. And that's it. Applying the Camera Raw filter and choosing an appropriate preset are simple yet powerful techniques for enhancing your photography with just a few clicks. Experiment with different presets and adjustments to better understand how each option impacts your images. With practice, you'll be able to quickly elevate your photography skills and bring out the best in every shot. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering Adobe Photoshop. Happy editing!